Welcome back, everyone. This is going to be my on-screen walkthrough of adding stuff from Printful to your Etsy store. If your store is linked with Printful, you can just go into Printful, click Add Product. Then you'll come to this page with all the products that they offer. Everything from frame posters, beach towels, pillowcases, coffee mugs. There's a lot of different things you can print your design or artwork on to sell in your Etsy store. The hats, I believe, are embroidery, not really print on demand. They're more of embroidery that they offer. Then you have print on demand cell phone cases, tote bags, backpacks. They all vary in price. We're going to go ahead and click this men's clothing because I'm uploading the navy tee design or the navy vet tee design. They have different prices, obviously, because it's the manufacturers that they use and the quality that they believe they are. So there's some expensive ones. I normally go with the cheaper $12.95 one if I need something with multiple colors. If I don't need multiple colors and I'm okay with black, gray, and white, or black, navy, and white, there's a cheap one that's only $8.95 cost, that one right there. But for this one, I put it on the $12.95 one. And then here you can pick what colors you want to print your design on. Then you'll see they only allow 100 variants for one product, so you're gonna have to delete some of them to get back down to 200. I'm sorry, not 200, 100. And then once you get down there, there'll be sizes that'll pop up in certain colors that are normally discontinued. And at that point, you either A, have to get rid of those colors, or what you can do is get rid of those sizes. A lot of the times I realize it's normally the like 3XL, 4XL, and sometimes double XL in certain colors are discontinued or they're not stocked. And to keep your customers happy, they won't let you upload them and upload anything until you fix the problem. So that way customers aren't seeing sizes that basically they cannot get. And then you have a disgruntled customer asking you, why did you have the size listed up on your site, on your Etsy store? If it was discontinued, you can't get it no more. Then click over to the upload file, go into choose file, and basically what you have to do is click on the upload button. It'll open up your file finder. And then you have to go through that to find the actual design file from Adobe Illustrator, because it's got to be a vector file. And then once you do that, you'll upload it and wait for the percentage to go all the way through. And once it's fully uploaded, it'll pop up like that. And then you'll scroll over them, you can choose them, and then it'll upload it onto the mock-up on the shirt. And then you can resize it. Just be careful when you're resizing it, because there's a print area box, and if any of your works outside that print area, it can get cut off when they print the shirt. And then they have tabs over on the side that you can center your design vertically and horizontally within the print area box, which is, if your artwork loads up perfect, then you can do that, and that's just the easiest way. And then it's going to end up all be in the print area. Then you can click on different shirts on the bottom, the different colors, to see what looks good, what looks meh, and you want to get rid of some of them when you go back and replace them with other colors, or just get rid of the ones you don't think are really going to sell for whoever you're targeting the design and whatever product it is, a t-shirt, cell phone case. And then down there on the bottom is where I had to fix the discontinued colors and sizes that won't get pushed to your store, because they won't let you push anything, won't let you proceed until you get rid of them. Then it'll let you proceed over to the mock-ups page, and then normally I just pick wrinkled mock-ups. I don't really ever use the model mock-up page. And then you can pick on the bottom what color mock-up you want as the main image on Etsy. So when people are scrolling and searching, that's the color of shirt they're going to see in the mock-up. And on the product title page, I normally just put what the design is, Navy Vet, in front of the short sleeve, and leave their rest of their product title there. In the description, I normally double click on the very bottom right there where it says models wearing, because I don't use the picture of the model. So I double click that and delete that away. And then I normally pick imperial and metric in case anybody overseas is trying to buy any of my products or t-shirts. Then on the bottom you can add your tags right from Printful. So when you upload it into Etsy, you don't have to worry about going in there and putting in tags after it's up on Etsy. And if you're doing something that you've same subject matter as you recently did, it saves all your recent tags, and you can just click them one by one, boom, 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 and they'll be up there. And like I was saying, they have all kinds of different products. I've got backpacks, tote bags, cell phones. I mean, there's other stuff too, like the coffee mugs, there's aprons, beach towels. And when it comes to clothes, they've got kids' clothes, women's clothing. But when you click into women's clothing, you sometimes have to be careful because the t-shirts come up, and the first one, if it's unisex, it'll show up in the women's clothing. So, I mean, if you're really looking for a woman's style, just make sure you pay attention to the title description and look for women's t-shirt or tank top. Because I think the first one that shows up says it's unisex, as in boy and girl. So it's not going to have the style that a female might be looking into to wear. It'll be like a regular t-shirt. Alright, and this is the page that you can change the price. Normally I put it down where I'm only making like $5 per t-shirt. About. And you can go in there manually change it to exactly what you want to make. If you want to change the price, or if you're doing it by percentage. Then you'll come to this page and you have to, it'll load your product, and you'll just have to wait until it's completely done. Then you'll be able to go over to your Etsy store. And the good thing is certain things like those two variants no longer available. Printful will automatically make sure they're not being shown in your store, so people don't accidentally order them and then you find out, well, that's not available anymore, which I like, because then you don't have to worry about any customer problems. Alright, and this is where you'll come into your Etsy store, hit on draft on the side. Those are the ones that have been uploaded from Printful. Then you check it, and then you click publish, and then it tells you 20 cents and it tells you your new expiration date. And then you click publish again to confirm it, and then it is in your store. And then we go down and show you, there it is, it's in the store. This is some of the other stuff I have uploaded to my site. My custom shoes I do sometimes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button. if you want to be notified of future uploads. Bye bye.